In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply dark mode in Google Chrome for PC. If you spend a lot of time online, dark mode can make browsing easier on the eyes, reduce glare and low light, and give Chrome a clean, modern look. Start by opening Google Chrome and creating a fresh new tab page. You can click the plus icon next to your current tab or press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. The option we need shows up only on the new tab page, so make sure you're seeing Chrome's default start screen before moving on. Now look to the bottom right corner of that page and click Customize Chrome. This opens a panel that controls the look and feel of your browser. If you don't see the button, you're probably not on the new tab page. Open a new tab and it should appear. If it still doesn't, make sure Chrome is up to date and try again. Inside the panel, head to the Appearance section. You'll see three choices: Light, Dark, and Device. Light keeps Chrome bright with a white background. Dark switches the interface to deeper grays and blacks, which is what we want. Device matches your computer's theme, so if your system switches to dark at night, Chrome will follow automatically without you doing anything. To turn on dark mode right now, choose dark. The change is instant. You'll notice your tabs, address bar, and menus adopt the darker style immediately. This setting affects Chrome's interface. Many websites also honor your preference and switch to their own dark themes, but not all of them do, so a few pages may stay light depending on how they're built. While you're here, you can personalize further using the same panel. Pick a color scheme or wallpaper that complements dark mode. These are optional touches that won't interfere with the dark theme. Also, this adjustment applies to your current Chrome profile. It won't change your computer's system theme or other apps. Once you're happy with the look, there's nothing else to click. Just close the customization panel or the tab you opened it in. Chrome saves your choice automatically, and it will still be in place the next time you open the browser. That's all it takes to enable dark mode in Google Chrome on your PC. If you ever want to switch back, return to Customize Chrome on a new tab page and pick Light or Device. Enjoy the calmer, darker interface and happy browsing.